This clonable car remote key could be the solution to most of your problems with broken or outdated car remotes. No more struggling with worn-out buttons or hunting for replacements. With this smart device, you can easily clone your existing key and get back on the road with ease. So, why not take a closer look? In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to clone your car remote key. Be innovative, stay ahead, and stay with SetNFix. The package comes in a compact bag, and once opened, you can immediately see what's inside. This is the remote control key, operating at 433 MHz. Along with it, you'll find a handy key tag and a small instruction sheet to guide you. Since this is a clonable key, it's important to read the instructions carefully before starting the cloning process. There's a specific procedure you'll need to follow to ensure a successful clone. When you press the buttons, you'll notice there's no response because the remote key hasn't been programmed yet. According to the instructions, you'll need to press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons together until the LED blinks and then turns off. Next, while still holding the lock button, press the unlock button 3 times. You'll see the LED flash several times. This indicates that the remote has entered programming mode. This is where your car key goes. You can attach it here and use it to start your vehicle, just like the original. Now, it's time to begin the cloning process. Here's my existing remote key, and we're going to program the new key to create a perfect clone. The new key feels a bit heavier than the old one, and since my original remote has 3 buttons, I've chosen this new remote with the same 3-button layout for full compatibility. Step 1. You have to press and hold both lock and unlock keys until the LED blink and off. Then while pressing unlock key, click 3 times unlock button. Then you will see the LED blinks and off. Now the new remote key is ready to program. To clone the key, bring your original remote as close as possible to the new remote key. Then, press and hold the lock buttons on both remotes simultaneously until the LED stops blinking. Repeat this process for each of the 3 buttons to complete the cloning. Once cloning is finished, you can test your new remote with your vehicle to ensure it works properly. However, please note, the manufacturer clearly states that this key cannot clone stealth codes, original car remote controls, two-way remotes, or rolling code remotes. Rolling code chips usually start with HCS, such as HCS 200, HCS 201, HCS 300, HCS 301, and similar. If you're interested in purchasing this key, I've added the link in the description below. Before we wrap up, let me quickly show you the inside of the circuit and how to replace the battery. Just remove the plastic cover on the back of the remote key. You'll see the battery inside. If it runs out, you can replace it easily. Using a small tool, you can gently remove the circuit board. You'll notice the chip code has been erased, so it's difficult to identify the exact data of the chip. Still, I hope this video gave you valuable insight into cloning car remote keys. If you've had any experience with key cloning, feel free to share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another useful video. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.